to be downloading a module with Composer. We're going to use the Drupal Composer project. We have Composer installed, and we're going to identify a module from Drupal.org, and we're going to use Composer require to download the module. So here we have a Drupal instance installed, and we don't have the devel module in it. So let's quickly have a look under extend. Let's search for devel, and we don't have devel. So let's jump to Drupal.org and let's search for the devel module. Actually, I already know that it's under Drupal.org project devel. That's cool. So we want to download the devel module with the help of Composer. Before that, we have already the Drupal Composer project installed, and we have here the Composer JSON file, and we'll see as we run Composer require, a new entry would be added here and the Composer log file would be updated, and actually the new module would be downloaded under web modules, and a new folder would be created here that is called contrib. So in order to download a module from Drupal.org, we're gonna need this bit here, devel. That's kind of the machine name of the module, and we're going to jump to the root of our Drupal Composer Drupal instance. So we are in the root folder before the web folder, and we're going to be running Composer require and then Drupal / the name of the module, and we hit enter, and that's perfect. So if we jump now to Atom, we see that in our Composer JSON file, we see that the devel module is added here, and if we go to web and modules, now there is a folder called contrib, and the devel module is actually here. And now if we jump to the Drupal instance under extend, and if we search for the devel module, we now see that we have the devel module, so we can install the module. So this is a way to download a module with the help of Composer. If you like this video, please check the links in the description, subscribe to the channel, don't forget to click the bell icon in order to receive notifications for new videos every Monday. Thanks for watching.